Hey guys, I am so excited to be filming today's video because look what finally came in the post. I've got here with me the Colourpop x LIZZIE MCGUIRE collection. I got most of this collection to test out. I was a full-on Disney kid. I loved LIZZIE MCGUIRE. It was one of my favourite shows. So when they announced this collection, I was so excited to try it. I've got an eyeshadow palette, a blush, 2 glitters and 2 lip glosses to try out. And honestly, I'm so excited to get this on my face. So let's just jump straight in. So I wanted to start with the eyes, and I want to do quite a winged out look today, which is why I haven't got my foundation on yet. I just have primer and my eyebrows done. So we've got here the What Dreams Are Made Of palette. And I have to say, I love the packaging and everything. I think they did a very good job on that. The palette's smaller than I thought it was going to be, but to be honest, I quite like that because I have enough big palettes. This is what it looks like. It's got a nice little mirror. There's some nice neutral shades here, so you could do an everyday look. There's some pinks, purples, and I love the lime green. I think they actually did a very good job with the color story for this, and I'm personally, as a fan of the show, I am very happy with it. So I really wanted to do something with the greens and the purples, but I'm not 100% sure what yet. I know I wanted to like wing it out and maybe do purple on the lid and then do sort of like a lime green liner moment and maybe under the lower lash line. Also, I should probably mention this is my first time using anything Colourpop, so I really hope it's good. I've heard a lot of good things about Colourpop, so I'm not too worried. Okay, I've just added my little tapey things under my eyes to keep my wing nice and straight. And I'm just gonna add my eyeshadow beauty base. This is base 2. Okay, so I'm gonna take a small fluffy brush and go into the shade Digital Bean. I like the shade names. And I'm gonna pack this very, very tightly right into my crease. I'm just gonna start kind of blending it out a little more. That's such a pretty colour. Definitely comes out a lot more pink than purple, but I do like the colour. Like once you blend it out, it's more of a pinky purple than a really dark purple, but it's not too dissimilar to how it is in the pan. But these are like really, really nice to work with. They're super easy to blend. I say that, I've only used one colour. This colour is really nice to work with. It's really easy to blend. I really like the pigment. So far, so good. I'm just gonna continue building up that colour. This look is gonna be pretty simple. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy. But I'm gonna go in with Hello Fabulous. I'm just gonna take that on my finger and I'm gonna pack that on to my lid. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, that is such a pretty shade. It kind of matches my top. And it's super like creamy. Oh, I like that. So next I want to take this sort of pink shade and I want to do a liner with it. So I just have some setting spray on a little liner brush and I'm gonna, it's called the shade Outfit Repeater. Oh, she's pretty. I really like how this is looking so far. Let me just take these off. I'm just going to take a little pencil brush and use Outfit Rememberer. I love this, Outfit Repeater and Outfit Rememberer. I'm going to use Outfit Rememberer to highlight my inner corner and under my brow bone. Oh my god, this is so like, this reminds me of that typical 2000s lip gloss colour, if you know what I mean. I want this bit here to be like super shimmery. Okay, so I'm quickly gonna go and do the rest of my makeup, so my foundation, concealer, all that good stuff, and then I'll be back to finish up my lower lash line and move on to the blush and glitter and lip gloss. Okay, I am back. So let's do the lower lash line. I'm gonna take a small pencil brush and go into the shade Don't Freak. I feel like this lime green colour is exactly what I associate with LIZZIE MCGUIRE more than anything. I don't really know why, but I'm just gonna line my lower lash line with this. I'm gonna pack this on quite thick as well. And I'm not gonna do a wing, but I am just gonna bring it slightly under this wing. Just using the very tip of that pencil brush. Okay, I'm quickly gonna go curl my lashes and add some mascara. I'll be back in a second. And I'm back, I'm done. I'm just going to give you a quick close-up of the eyes so you can see what they look like. But I'm very impressed with this palette. I think it's super pigmented. They blend it out really nicely. I love the colors. I love the color story. You can do quite a lot of looks with this, and I genuinely think this is a really good palette. I don't know about the rest of the products yet, but if there's one thing you're gonna buy, I would go for the eyeshadow palette. I do really like it. Anyway, let me just zoom you in so you can see what these look like up close. Okay, so next up we have the pressed powder blush. This is in the shade Dee-lish. So it's this pale pink color. They did have another color, but I don't think it would have suited my skin tone. I think it would have been a little bit too dark for me. So there wasn't really much point in me buying it. But let's try this one out. I actually really don't like this brush, but my other blush brush has blush on it. Blush and brush in the same sentence is so difficult for me to say too many times. Anyway, let's just, ooh, it's flying everywhere. Okay, see how this goes. Cute, it's a cute color. I do feel like you can kind of see a bit of like my skin coming through underneath when I put this on top, as though it's like lifting up the coverage underneath, but it's not crazy bad. Very shimmery, which I also don't mind. I quite like this whole area being very highlighted and glowy overall, so I quite like a shimmery brush. See? So I quite like a shimmery blush because I just think it makes your cheekbone look that a little bit more kind of, do you know what I mean? Am I making any sense? I've been doing my blush so much higher up recently, like I do it almost where I would have done highlight, I think. I think it just suits my face shape so much better. Okay, I actually really like this blush. I really like the shade of it. Not a good product. Okay, so next we've got the Glitterily Obsessed, what are they? Glitter gels. So I've just opened one. I've got Sing to Me Paulo and Get a Grip. I think these were the only ones they came in. So Sing to Me Paulo is like this kind of, this is kind of what I think of when I think of 2000s makeup and like kids makeup and the makeup that would have come in magazines. Is literally this kind of gel in this color. And then Get a Grip is this really cute hot pink. So they can't just, oh my god. See, I don't really know what you're kind of supposed to do with the, oh my god, that's so pretty. So this is the most awkward swatch. But there you go. That is so nice. I guess it's not really supposed to be makeup in the sense of, you know, like a typical highlight or anything. I think this is literally just supposed to be something quite fun. Get my scrunchie out of the way. But they're very thick. At least they're pigmented. They're also very glittery. This is not the kind of thing I would wear out anywhere, if I'm honest. Although, I can imagine this would make a really nice eye topper. So let's Sing to Me Paulo. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave Get a Grip and I might use that as like an eyeshadow topper at some point. But I'm gonna use Sing to Me Paulo as sort of like a, well, it's not gonna be a highlight, it's just gonna be glitter on my face. But we're doing it. I don't really know how to do this. I'm just gonna take a little bit off of the little plastic lid and just rub it between my two fingers. It's just so lumpy. Okay, I'm just gonna do it literally right here. That's actually kind of cute. This would be cute for like festivals or something. I mean, not that anyone's going to festivals, but in the future. I like those. I think I'd keep them for like eye toppers, Halloween, maybe some kind of funky party thing. I don't really go to festivals, if I'm honest, so I wouldn't be wearing them there. But I don't know, sometimes the occasion calls for glitter. So it's nice to have. It does feel nice on the skin. It doesn't feel particularly sticky or anything like that. But it's cute. It's cute, I like it, but I won't be wearing it anywhere. Okay, finally in the collection we have the So Juicy Plumping glosses. Oh god, plumping, are these gonna start tingling my lips? And I have them in the shades Lizzie and Miranda. So Lizzie is just a clear sparkly gloss and Miranda is this sort of hot pink sparkly gloss. They're very reminiscent of like the Juicy tubes. So this is, I feel like this they knew what they were doing with this collection. They really did it for the girls who were obsessed with Lizzie McGuire in the early 2000s. Now the real question is, are they going to be sticky like those Juicy Tubes? They're very thick and they are sticky, but not in like a, I don't know how to explain it. It doesn't feel sticky in the way glue feels sticky. It just feels very thick and kind of viscous, and definitely not my ideal for gloss, if I'm honest. Can you tell the difference? This one's Lizzie, this one's Miranda. So you can see there is a slight pink sheen to Miranda that you don't get on Lizzie. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna line my lips and then I'm gonna go in on top with Miranda, I think, and we'll see what that looks like. Okay, I don't want my lips to be too dark, but I also don't want them to be too pink. So I'm gonna go in with Velvet Sands by Vive. My hands are just covered in glitter, can you see that? Okay, I'm just gonna apply this like a normal Juicy Tube. Oh my god, it smells like bubblegum. I really don't like the taste of bubblegum. Oh yeah, you can feel it tingling a little bit. Kind of got that minty thing to it. I think this looks really cute, I'm not gonna lie, but it is sticky. It's a sticky gloss. This is the kind of gloss that's gonna get stuck when your hair blows in the wind. And to be honest, oh god, nearly dropped my mirror. To be honest, I do kind of think I'm here for the sort of the really glossy, Juicy Tube type lip gloss. I really like that, but I think considering we're in 2021 and people have really moved away from sticky lip glosses, like for example, it's getting stuck to my hair. My pump being a little bitch. So for example, I have these two lip glosses by Beauty Bay and I absolutely love them because they're not sticky at all. They're really comfortable to wear, whereas this is not comfortable. But it does look cute. I'm like, I can feel it. I can feel it in the corners of my mouth. Ugh. Oh god, it's so sticky. So they're not my favorite. The lip glosses are definitely not my favorite, but they're not bad. They're fine. If you want a Juicy Tube lip gloss, then go for it. Okay, this is everything. This is the finished look. I have to say, I am loving this. I feel like I'm living out my childhood dream. When I was at the age where I was watching Lizzie McGuire when it was on the TV, I was too young to kind of be able to do any of this. So this has definitely made my inner child very happy. I actually think it looks really cute. I am in love with the eyeshadow palette. I just think it's so nice. It blended so nice. It was super pigmented. It was really nice to work with and I will definitely use that again. I also really love the blush. I think it's a really nice color. I like that it's shimmery and it's, yeah, I'll definitely use that again. The glitter, as I said, I probably wouldn't use unless I was needing it for maybe Halloween or as an eyeshadow topper. The lip glosses I do like. I have to say, the longer it's been on my lips, the less sticky it feels. But if I'm gonna put a lip gloss on, this isn't gonna be the first thing I'm gonna reach for. So yeah, I'm not 100% sure about the lip gloss, but it looks nice. It definitely looks nice. And I think overall, I'm genuinely very happy with my purchases. I'm very happy that I bought the collection. All I wanted to do was sit down and turn myself into Lizzie McGuire, and I feel like I accomplished that today. So yeah, those are my final thoughts. Let me know what you guys think. Have you bought anything from the collection? Will you buy anything from the collection? Let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I would absolutely love to have you. I do loads of testing and review videos. I will leave some linked on the screen somewhere. You can find them. But that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!